Okay. Here is our server, and now we can use installation guide to do simple steps. First of all, you have to install web server and database server. For web server, we used Apache web server, Apache second web server, and as a database server, we used PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL 9 version. Well, just a minute. I downloaded Otrs installation pack and ITSM module. Today we discuss about Otrs 5. It's production version of Otrs, because 6th version of Otrs it's beta version. It have many very interesting features, but it's still unstable. Yes. I've already downloaded tar.gz. It's an archive, and now I try to unpack it. You can install Apache or database RDBMS with apt-get command. apt-get install Apache 2. But as you can see, it's already installed and has a newest version. It's PostgreSQL is the same, has a newest version. We do not need to install or upgrade it. Well, we unpacked Otrs 5. As you can see, it's written on Perl language. It's a quite simple language, but here it's object-oriented version, and some things can be different to understand and require understanding of Otrs architecture and main modules. Okay, I will continue about installation. So, installing Otrs on Debian or Ubuntu system. Important information that you should install Otrs from source, not from repository or Otrs package that Debian or Ubuntu provides, because Otrs package in Debian repository is very old and can be obsolete. Also, you should to install some libraries for Apache or databases. Here you can see command to install these libraries. Okay. We already unpacked tar.gz file. Also, I should clarify some point. You should create symbolic link to Otrs, because it's easiest way to store your OTRS branches. Wait a bit. Okay. We created symbolic link that provides a simple path to our OTRS tree. Just OPT OTRS. You can install next version in catalogs in directories like OTRS 6 or OTRS 6, and you should just change your link to newest version and to do some steps to upgrade. Next step, we should check necessary models for OTRS. It can be done with command check models PL. You can find this script in opt OTRS bin. Just a minute. Oh, okay, that's it. As we can see, all necessary critical models are installed. This model is optional, we don't need it because we use PostgreSQL. Yes, DBD-PG. It's called DBD-PG. And the common interface for databases in Perl, it's DBI, database interface. Other models used to communicate with different web services. Yes, XML, XS, YAML, and directory services like Active Directory, and for authentication. So as we seen, we have all necessary models, and we can skip these steps. In Debian or Ubuntu, we can install models with the same command apt-get and install model name, or via specific CPAN shell. It's generally Perl application. We can install Perl models, but I recommend to use apt-get install. It's most common way to install models or system components in Debian. Next step, we should create OTRS user. I hope user already created. Yes, already exists. And group is already exists too. Activating default config. Change directory to opt OTRS kernel and copy config pm dist to config pm. As you see, that config used to manage database connection. Yes, it's it's a core config, and most of configuration parameters should be set by web interface. At current steps, we do not need to change some configurations here or parameters. Well, okay. Finished step 5. Need to check the need all modules if all needed modules are installed. These commands is just simple syntax checks. If you don't have some necessary modules, it will tell you that syntax syntax error, like this. And repeat. Well, it will tell you something about errors like this, and you can clarify that error. Delete. Check again. Actually, you do not need to know Perl language, because most things you can change or configure with web interface. Perl actually needed for development or changing Otrs API. Yes, it's correct too. Perfect. Well, next step. We need to configure Apache web server. We can create a virtual host, but the most common way well, where is it? Okay, common way to copy the specific part of configuration of Apache configuration file to Apache configuration directory. Well, we will find it. htdocs. No, it's not here. Where is it? Otrs scripts. Otrs scripts. And here you can see Apache 2 HTTP include conf. You should copy it to Apache configuration directory. It's a very common location on Unix systems, etc. Apache second. We should copy it to sites available, like Otrs conf. In general, we don't need to change any things here. Just leave it default. Okay. Now we need to activate our Otrs config by a second and site command. A second and site Otrs. Yes, now we should to restart, reload Apache second config. Oh, failed. Why? Service Apache second stop. Start. Perfect. Started. And now we can change. We can see. We can check Apache second log file. It's located in a common path. Error log. Error log. What happened? Command. Yes, it's started. Notification about survey start. Well, second step, and I think it's final step. We need to set file permissions in Unix style. Okay. Change directory opt otrs and make a comment. Op, web group is missing or invalid. Valid. Web group. Because now we worked under super user root, and we need to change. We need to set correct rights on all files. Yeah. Yeah. Data. Okay. It's very strange because the official documentation said us that we need to use web user option. Let's see. With ls minus l command root. It's not correct. Well, again. Let's see. Let's check command syntax. Oh, it's not a web. It's an error in documentation. It's not a web user. It's OTRS user option. Up. Yes, it's all correct. Okay. Database setup. In PostgreSQL, we do not need to do some steps like in MySQL default configuration. We just do first login. I mapped this virtual host demo otrs org domet otrs io otrs installer pl. So we see otrs web installer, but unfortunately it's in Russian language because my system language, system locale, is Russian. Seva, maybe we can use your laptop.
Yeah, sure. I have
Or can you share your screen, or maybe the Munch can continue.
Monk, as I know, you have a MacBook as well, right?
Yeah.
This is a good advantage.
Yep.
Yeah. Please share the URL.
Slava,
Okay.
can you share? Because now I'm writing some things here, work stuff. I'm just listening your presentation and comment if it's needed.
Okay. That's it. I stopped screen demonstration, and you can use this installer URL and share your screen.
Are you seeing it?
Wait. It's connecting. It's still waiting. I guess maybe it's some problems with firewall.
Okay, I turned off the firewall. Maybe let's cut off the session and
And
I
start
will come
again.
back.
Okay, okay, perfect.
Hello again.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, now I see it. Perfect. Well, here you can see welcome message. Just contacts about official offices, OTRS, where you can find some consultations and help. Just press next button.
Okay.
License agreement. First, need to clarify the OTRS provided under GNU FRGPL. It means, in general, it means that you can use it as you wish, modify it as you wish, and distribute it as you wish. But you have to public the OTRS core as free, and it can be accessed, should be accessed by our users.
Shall we continue?
Yes, yes, of course. PostgreSQL, and now we have to create a new database for OTRS.
Okay, then let's leave it.
Oh no, it's need to we have to create a new database via a secure shell. It's most common way. Do you have a SS?
We will upload some SQL, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
check this.
We need to do some steps before. Do you have a secure shell?
I think I haven't yet because it's
Oh,
new left.
okay. I will create a database. Just a minute.
Okay, then I will use.
Yes. So PSQL. PostgreSQL. Later I will publish a video where you can see all necessary commands. PSQL. Create database OTRS, owner OTRS. Done. Well, you can continue.
Okay.
Next. I think it's not pressed. Try again, please. Is it freezed?
Maybe some disconnection.
I don't know. I see establishing secure connection message in the bottom, left bottom of screen. Let's check it. No, it's accessible. Moon, are you here?
Yeah.
Can you repeat the step? Again, press next button.
Actually, I have clicked the next button, and now it's asking the database.
I guess it's Skype because I see freezed picture. Maybe we can
Delay.
yes, delay. Maybe we can reconnect our session in Skype.
Yeah, it will
yes.
help definitely.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me call again.
Yes, okay. I'm here.
Yep.
Perfect. Oh, yes, password is SRTO. Very simple. Yep.
Inverted version.
Check
Should I
database
click,
settings.
check?
Yes, okay. Oh, it's successful. Next. Next. General settings, demo Otrs IO. They have to change system FQDN. It's not so necessary, but it just for sign in messages, emails, or something else. I think we should change it right now to demo Otrs IO. And here we have to specify correct email and domain name IO. Demo Otrs IO email.
Yeah, I have written it.
And email the same.
Same.
Yes, just a minute. I will just a second. I will send in chat. Like this. Oh, I don't see your screen. Something happened? No. Seva, do you see it?
So,
No.
about the organization field,
It can be anything else. You can specify your own.
what about log module?
Okay.
It's a file.
Sounds good. Can you share your screen again? We don't see it.
Okay.
Please.
Is it working?
It's connecting. I am still recording video and my laptop is very hot.
I think it's a cause of network delay because
Yes,
the
yes,
network isn't really well.
maybe. I will describe some instruments that you need to have for Otrs management. First of all, most features you can manage via web interface, but for understanding of Otrs architecture and some administrative steps, you need to have secure shell. And we do not publish the secure shell socket in internet, but I can do VPN client connection for you via OpenVPN.
Okay. In that case, it will be more convenient with me.
Yeah.
So you just mentioned about the web interface, right?
Yes.
And, as I noticed, there were YAML, right?
Yeah.
Are you using YAML as a template?
YAML used as template for process management in Otrs and some configuration files, and for communication with other systems, as I guess.
Okay.
You can use yes, JSON or XML and YAML for configuration.
Okay, JSON. Right. What if we cut the session and then connect again? Are you
Yes.
seeing my screen?
No, it's still connecting. It's still spinning round and round. Okay, let's try.
Let's try again.
Yes, let's try again. Okay.
Надо ли делать какую-то ссылку на то, что и еще исправить какие-то ошибки? Вот, что там стороны настоящие силы, да, что исправлены какие-то ошибки, поэтому может быть виноват согласно такого отношения. Либо это может быть какой-то технический акт, или тестировать, или
Working?
No, still not working.
Actually, I have one idea, right?
Okay.
So, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear. But several have a noise.
Yeah. As I seen your version is in Russian, right?
Yes,
but
yes.
My version is in English, and but we have one alternatives, and you can share your screen from your side, and I will try to follow your steps.
Okay.
From my side.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay, I will share my screen. Wait a minute. I'll find it. Where is it? Oh, here you are. Okay. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's working.
Perfect. Let's continue. So, unfortunately, we should to do steps from first step. But I hope. Okay, license.
Yeah, I'm on the third step.
database. Use existing database. Otrs srto check. Hop. We have to drop database. Otrs. A simple SQL command. Hop.
We are sharing the same user.
Yeah.
Can be issue.
Yes. Can you? Let's try to.
Do you have another user?
I don't know. Let's check it. But the simplest way to stop and start database. Yes. Let's repeat PSQL. Drop. Yes, dropped. And create database Otrs. Owner Otrs. Created. PostgreSQL. Otrs srto. Check connection. Successful. Next step. And we see all SQL scripts uploaded. Next. Demo Otrs.io. It's not an URL, it's just a domain name. Okay. Demo Otrs.io. And what's your company name? Can you remind me?
Bonum.
Can you type it in chat?
EO.
Yes.
LLC or something else?
Yeah.
Journal type. So we can use the Unix system journal like syslog, or we can use the file. If we used syslog, all Otrs system messages will be stored at var.log, and the log file depends on Unix version. In Debian, it's user log. So here we can see all Otrs notifications or errors. Well, and if you specify the file here, journal type, all messages will be stored at Otrs opt var.log, var.log. System journal. And language. I will try English USA. Next. And it's still Russian language because it checked my browser locale, and I think it save locale settings in user settings, and we can change it. Now we need the main way to communicate. There are two ways to communicate between service desk and users. The first way, it's web interface. Otrs has a client or customer portal. And the next way, it's email, second way. And here we need to specify options for SMTP and IMAP servers. I will I register. I have a special email for OTRS demo, OTRS IO, and now I specify the connection for our mail server, and in the future you can use it for OTRS demonstration or something demo cases, some demo cases. Demo OTRS IO. Wait a bit. I will find password for sorry for my English because I don't have a good practice for a long time.
Yes, I understand this is the final steps for
Yes.
installation and for today, right?
Yes. Just a minute. Well, Moon, if you have an email, later you can specify your own email pool. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's not.
Yes, Moon.
Error.
After our training, I have one favor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, as you know, I'm currently trying to create some software, you know, right?
Yes, absolutely.
If you and your brother want to show it, I can give some brief introductions.
You want to show it to us?
Yeah, maybe in the future we can do some business and so
Yeah,
on.
why not? You want to do it today, right afterwards, or some other time for day?
If it's possible for today, you guys, it's okay for me.
Yes, it's okay.
I'm just worried because I'm leaving very soon for maybe 2 hours.
What about your brother?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
You guys can continue without me in this case.
Wait a minute. Let's try to doing the. Too many passwords. That's it. Oop. It's very strange demo. Genius. IO. Oh, it's IMAP TLS, IMAP S. Yes, successful. And now we can see agent interface, administrator or agent interface point, and administrator user and password. Now I will send it in our chat to remember it. demo root. Oop. Update password. Let's change default language. Oh, where is it? Okay. Perfect. And the final step, we should install ITSM module. Very simple way. It's package manager. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Package manager. Here. Well. Update repository information. And I already downloaded Otrs modules have a OPM extension.
So all models this kind.
Yes. Oop. Request entity to ledge. We can use the different way to install via Otrs console PL. It should be run under Otrs user. It's like low-level commands. Otrs some development things that you cannot do via web interface. And here it's some things for administrator. Command option. Otrs console PL. And we should specify path to our. I downloaded on server 2. Installing. It created some files, directories, uploaded SQL script, setting correct rights on files, and I think it's done. Okay. Well, now we should do a login to Otrs. And log again. And now we see ITSM features like services, SLAs, CMDB, and changes. Well, I think we can finish here. And Munch, I will do a VPN account for you later today and send you information about connection, all administration points, and you can use this instance as you wish for demonstration purposes or for learning TRS and understanding what is it and how you can use it. And I can answer about on all of your questions.
Slava, I think we can prepare the other training later this week.
Yes, sure, yes. Yes.
And with all questions, we can start from the questions, for example.
Okay.
Also, please share a record. Right?
Okay.
Video record.
Yeah. And guys, I think
sure,
we now
yes.
can proceed with Monk presentation, and I will leave you from now.
Okay. Thank you.
If you have any other questions, Monk, for now.